Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can share SteelSeries moments easily. So what you'll need to do is basically open up your SteelSeries GG app, then go to the moments and you'll see all your clips. As you can see, this is my gameplay. And basically if I click on my gameplay and want to share this clip, basically I will click on this share clip, then choose where you want to share and click continue. So choose the platform that you want to share it. As you can see, you can select all these different platforms. And what you'll need to do is basically click continue. And that will prepare your clip and you'll be able to basically upload it there. So right here, you can select the file size or it will be original one. So, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.